Yep.
Keep reeling, I'll grab it. Pull it back to me. Pull it back. Yeah, keep reeling. Keep going. Fish on. I like fish on. Oh wait, I got to wait. One more weight to pull off of it. Must be a cut.
Yeah, I can't really see, so that's where
Because it ain't biting. Like a kokanee. Caddy. Oh!
got him.
Well, Tanner, you did it without letting him go.
I know. I usually let it go.
Yeah, long distance. Yeah, usually you're not the best fisherman, but you're great. You're a great person. Yeah, I'm gonna need him out of there. But
That is tack box.
yeah, once you open up that top, they'll be on the
Did he hook the net?
side.
Good plumber would have that one in his pocket all the time.
You know what's funny? As I went to go grab mine out of my backpack this morning,
Oh yeah.
I have the exact same ones.
Oh really?
And my slinky broke as I pulled it out of my backpack this morning. So I was like, I'm going on a boat. I really don't want to lose these pliers.
No.
So I guess I'll have to get a new ring for it. Because yeah, the slinky broke. Not off the pouch for it. They broke off the pliers.
Nice cutthroat. Let's put him back. There he goes. Hit it and then he quit it. Uh-oh.
Oh.
That one's on. Outrigger. Yeah, that one got it. There you go. Oh yeah, there's something on that.
Oh yeah. This is going to be the awkward way for me today because I'm the lefty.
Uh-oh. Holy sh**. That must be, oh, it's a Coke.
Yep.
It's a Coke.
Fish net's right here.
Okay. Oh yeah, he's jumping big time.
Come on.
Come on, baby. Low and slow, low and slow. Okay, keep reeling.
You can get a weight on it too, Gil?
Yep. Yeah, just keep them down. Kenny, you hand me that net. Oh shit! Alrighty, now it's just you and the fish. Come on. There you go. He's big too. Wait, John. Oh, come here, you little prick! Don't you get off! Don't you get off! There we go. Yeah.
Ah, there's a good one.
Look at that guy.
Oh, yeah.
Woo! That is a nice Coke right there.
Oh, that is.
That's a big one.
Look at that guy.
That
Had some
is
weight to him.
huge.
Oh
He had
yeah.
some weight to him.
You gotta eat him,
Crap.
Ken.
Hey, remember that spot?
Yep.
Yeah, he was only 10 feet down. 10 to 15 feet down. Nice fish.
That's a really good fish.
That real quick. Put him on a leash. Said put him on a leash.
Big dog. Come on.
He's got
Is he
some
big enough you can fill the boat with it?
Yeah, you can just throw a pole
Yeah.
holder out there.
Put him on the front on a leash and he can be the trolling motor.
Yeah.
He'll just swim.
Grab,
Time to the
grab
boat.
him.
Did he get a picture?
Show him to the camera.
Come here.
Tanner, grab that white cooler, would you? Look at that guy. That's a nice Coke right there.
That's a good one.
That one was but I might bring these up then. If they're shallow right now, which is weird for this time in the morning, but
That later board just
it ripped.
Yeah,
Oh,
it did.
he's on.
Oh, what?
That one's
He's
on.
on. Woo! Here, Somebody grab this one. Fish on. God, I just brought just bringing it up and he hit it. Hey, that's a wrap.
Happened on the rigger, wasn't it?
I don't even really care.
Oh, okay.
Got this line tangled right here.
Well, we found the school, so that's good. Ah, nice.
Got another one.
Nice coke. Now we know where the school is.
Yeah.
So,
That is another nice one.
let me mark that.
Look at him.
Okay. Nice fish. Very nice.
All right, I'm done.
Grandpa, your turn.
Yep.
I'm next then.
Well, hold on, buddy. We're getting all wet.
Get it all slimy. Come on now.
Come on,
If he's gonna get the boat this way, he might have brought it. He needs to bring a towel next time.
Holy crap. Look at the size of that coke, man.
Yeah, that's two real good kokanee.
Look at the size of that guy. Here, pull that pole up so the camera can see it. That size of that guy. Very nice. Oh.
Falls in the water.
Here, let's pop him in there. Hey, quit moving. You're going on the smoker tonight, bud.
You're first. That's two of them that are pretty good size.
Oh,
right
yeah.
there. Get on that one.
That's enough. Planer? Oh, yeah. Fish on.
Yep, fish on.
Whose turn is it? Oh, Grandpa. Was it Grandpa's turn?
Yeah.
Come on, Dad, hurry. God. What the hell's wrong with you?
Give me to it.
Here. Reel her in.
You got the spool on the wrong side.
No, wait. Well, you got the thing upside down.
You want me to reel like this?
No, do it the other way before you lose this kokanee.
I'm like Chaz. I like the spinning reel.
Keep going. Keep going. Keep reeling.
Is there a weight on it?
Yep.
There's a fish on it too.
Yeah, there must be a cutty. Keep going.
We're passing the scooters right here.
The what?
The scooters just jumped right in front
Right?
of us. Hey, it's the truth. Once you pee, you catch one.
See? You guys better be peeing a lot.
Starting to fight.
Alrighty. It's a nice cutty.
He's not quite as big as I usually catch.
We usually don't catch any, so.
Hey, wait a minute.
Here's one. He had both hooks in his mouth. He hit that hard.
I don't use lose many.
Especially when you hook them twice.
Yeah.
Yeah, Grandpa, teach me how to
Whoa.
hook them twice.
I was going to show the camera.
Hey, you did.
Oh.
Ready?
Oh, fish on that one. Don't let Tanner catch it. You got it open?
Yep.
Still on, ain't he?
Yeah, he's still on there, I think.
Not as big as your last one?
I don't know. We'll find out here.
Is that a Coke or is that a cut? That's a cut. Cutty. Those are about the size that I use for bait. But okay, you're done. You're done. We'll wait till your tantrum's over.
Nope, not quite.
You little monster. Here we go. Alrighty. That's that number. I don't even know how many that is. But nice cutty. Boom, he's gone. Oh.
end for you.
Okay.
Oh, there it is. He's got it all the way off this time.
I said, God damn.
For you. He might even swim in.
He might just come in, jump in the boat.
We might even just have
Oh,
to cooler lid.
he's fighting.
Open the cooler lid. He'll just come up and jump in.
Is that a Coke? There's no way that's a Coke. He's fighting hard like a Coke. That's a cut. But he's just fighting real hard.
Yeah.
Hey, it's a cut.
Good cutty.
I don't know, it's weird. That's a good fighter. I like that.
Well, he hooked good too.
Alrighty. Alright, buddy. Calm down. You know the drill. I'm sure you've been caught 20 times before. So, look at that caddy. A big old head. That was a nice. That was about a 3. Hopefully it's a big fish. Size are. There you go. Hopefully it's a Kokanee. He's on there. More. It's a cutty.
Go. Hold on, he's over here.
Did you go around that? Did I catch one? Whoa! Tanner caught one! Woo!
Right.
Holy moly!
Biggest thing I ever seen.
That's a nice cut.
That's freaking 15 and a half.
Stop. Right
Stop.
There you go, Tanner. You can get rid of your fish. There you go.
Oh, yep. He got rid of the fish.
Tanner. Well, it looks like a Coke. We'll bring him over here. Keep it down. Keep it down. Keep it down. Keep him down.
Good old Coke.
Oh, come on, buddy. Get over here. Oh, yeah, baby.
Let's go.
Yeah, baby.
Oh, that's nice.
And he spit it out.
I just need to be put under pressure and I won't lose fish.
Look at that. That's a good one. Look at that big boy. Woo! You're gonna flay up good, buddy. Jeez. He's huge. He's huge. Look at that bad boy. Yeah. Get in there with your buddies. Hell
Jake
yeah.
and Tom.
Nice fish, brah. Yeah.
I didn't lose it.
You didn't lose it. God,
Hey, I should start doing that more often, not losing them.
About 3 more, and I just got 30 on 6 last year. So right before the hunt, we were going, and I could not get my barrel and the sight, the scope we had on it, could not get them to zero in at all. So I gave up on the gun, because it was an older gun. It wasn't anything special, so I gave up on it. Went to Sportsman, and I'm like, here, give me $500 for it. So I was like, I'm just going to get you an entry-level Remington 700. Here we go. 30. That's what I got.
I turned too sharp. Just keep reeling.
Oh, did you go 2 for 2 on this one now?
We're into.
Still on 10? Sure.
Oh, hold on. Okay, go ahead and keep reeling. It'll catch and. Yeah, we're on this somehow.
If he breaks the surface, you'll let him go again. Huh?
I turned too sharp, so we got into this pole. That one kept bumping, and I kept wondering why, but now I know. Well, there's still a fish on that one.
Oh, he's just coming straight in.
Fish in a pop gear, yeah. Well, the cutthroat, sometimes they don't fight. Like, it's really weird. There we go. That's a good size one.
Like that.
Alrighty. Hold. Alrighty. Yeah, that's a good size cut. He's in the slot.
What a Tanner's biggest.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's the
Is it
biggest
the
one that
biggest or the
biggest
cat?
one that he hasn't lost. It's a nice cutty. Oh, he gone. All right.
There he is.
Is he on it? Jerk his ass?
Yeah, go and rip his face off. There
He's gonna sit there all day. You're gonna catch a
Sounds like it. It sounds like he's gonna do it.
Rip his face
What are you
off.
doing here, Tanner?
Here, I'll let you keep setting up.
Alright, go ahead. Pop gear. Wow, that sounds big. There you go. Needs the pop gear.
No, he's right there.
He's right here. Ooh, that looks like a good one.
Big size?
Yeah, it looks like a good one.
Oh yeah, that's a nice one.
Coming with his mouth open.
He's water skiing.
Oh yeah, that's a good one.
That's a nice cutty right there, baby.
I didn't lose it.
Look at that. Alright, now comes the...
Let's put that on the calendar. Tanner didn't lose.
Hey, look at that. Right in the lip.
Yeah.
Look at that. Look how easy that came out.
Hey, you wanted one too?
No, he can keep that.
That's your biggest fish of the day, Tanner.
That's a nice fish.
I was about to say it's my only fish of the day.
That's a pretty color on them too.
That's a nice fish right there. Nice cutty.
There he goes.
That's 13.
Hey, you need a worm now.
They just happened to be right there.
Are they still right there?
Yeah,
that-
so I was going to put a worm on. Fish on the... Bring it over. Okay, go ahead. I was gonna say it's yeah, he's a fighter. Yeah.
Don't let him go this time.
He's a cutty. There we go. He's a big cutty though. Look at this guy.
Yeah, that's a big cutty right there.
Well, can someone hold my hot dog for me so I eat it?
Come give me a bite.
Feeds me while I'm reeling it in.
I took one bite out of it for you already.
You swallow it too?
Yeah. Oh, jeez, buddy.
Yeah, he's got some girth to him.
Look at him.
Oh yeah.
You gonna hold it for the camera?
Oh, no.
I got slimed!
I go, I need
At least you got it on camera.
Right? That's the thumbnail.
Sorry.
That'll be the thumbnail.
Get this in out. No, he's gone too. Anything on this one? Long distance release. Right there.
This one's got a fish on it. Can it?
We gotta show him the. Oh,
I don't know. Are you gonna let him go or?
That's a bitch. Yeah, baby. Got 4.
The smallest one of all of them. But hey.
Oh,
got out of my hands.
you get in the water? Or you go in the